Hello, good morning to all, everyone. Good morning, Johan, Anushka, Hannah, Ezekiel, Joshua, Jawan. A very good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
A very good morning. Johan, good morning. Hannah, good morning. Joshua, good morning. Ezekiel, good morning. Hannah, good morning, everyone. How are you all? Are you good?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Okay. So, what we were doing?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
1 second, let me get. Um, it's the check your progress 5.4. I didn't get the second one.
Just give it. Yeah, tell me. 5.4.
The second question, and if it's possible, the fourth one, because I didn't really get that one.
Okay. Second question. Okay. So I'll write the question. So those who know can do in your notebook, and I will write the answer also. This is the question. The age of father is 20 years more than twice the age of the son. If sum of their age is 65, find the age of son in the past. Can you hear me? Am I getting any disturbance from my side? No?
No, sir.
Yeah. So then everyone turn on the camera. Let me see your face. Everyone turn on the camera, please. Please. Yeah. So now, first of all, we have to find what is not given. So we don't know the age of father and the age of son. So let the age of father and age of son be x and y. So I'm taking age of father as x, okay, and age of son as y, okay. Now, if it is given, if the sum of their ages is 65 years, the sum of their age means x plus y is equals to what? 55 years, because sum of age of father plus age of father plus age of son is equals to 65. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Can you hear me? No? Again. Then, and now it is given the age of father. What is age of father? Age of father is x. Age means equals to 20 years more than. 20 years more than means 20 years to 20. More than means plus. Twice the age of son. Twice means 2 multiplied by the age of son, which is y. I got the second equation. Did you get it, guys? Joshua, Johan, Hannah. Okay, now we have to solve it. Now don't tell me to solve it. Can you do it by yourself by elimination method, substitution method, whatever method you want to use? Okay, guys. Johan, Ezekiel, any problem in that? Johan, are you getting any problem in solving this equation?
No, sir.
No. Anushka, your camera, please. Anushka, any problem?
No, sir.
Now this question. Okay, this question is the number of boys. So we don't know the number of boys or number of girls. So I will write let the number of boys be X and number of girls be Y because I don't know. Now it is given the number of boys is. So now Anna will make the equation. Anna, tell me what will be the equation now? Yes, Anna.
Confused with that part, sir.
Yeah, you tell me the number. Yes.
In the below it's written that the number of boys is 10.
Uh,
So can't we use that?
you can use that also. And I what like I will tell you. Just give me
Okay.
2 minutes, and you
Sure,
will
sure.
know itself. Okay. Yeah. So Anna,
Yes, sir.
tell me the number of boys. What is number of boys is X.
Yeah.
What is the meaning of is?
What's it?
What do you mean by is?
Is equal to?
2/5 is 2/5 of the number of girls means of what is number of girls?
It's Y.
And in the last it is given the number of boys which is X is equals to 10. So what will I do? I will write 10 here. Is equals to 2/5 of means multiply of 1. Now 5 it becomes 50 upon 2 is equals to Y. Y is equals to 25. Understood? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Could you write it down? Then we will do one new type of question, which you don't have to do it. You just understand it, and then I will give you different question based on that. Just give me a second. Let me find that question. Where are you? Every day. Every day. Every day. Question every day. Maybe there. Okay. Okay, done. Till I is this? Guys, if you have any problem, ask me 100 times, 1,000 times, 1,000 times, not 1,001 times. 1,001 times I will say, let God lead you. Okay. Will I raise this? Yes or no? Unmute your mic and say yes.
Yes.
Very good. Good boy. This is the question. Now, just put your pen drop. Do pen drop like this. Pen drop, quickly pen drop. Hold your hands. Okay, pen drop. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Now, this is important and one of the most important questions. So you have to listen first. Okay. Okay. Now, the question says that the question says the sum of digits, the sum of the digit of two numbers is 11. Okay. See, what does this mean? If I will say 45, so 45, how many digits are there in 45? Two digits are there. If I will say 1003, 1003, how many digits are there? Four digits are there. Okay. Now this question says us that uh, uh, the sum of the digit of two-digit number means this two-digit number which we don't know. Okay. So if I will write like this, if I will take random number like 45. So 4 is at 10th place and 5 as 1st place. Understood? Okay. Right now, I'm just taking 45 as a number. That's why I'm getting 10th place as 4 and 1st place as 5. Now, if you don't know, so what will you do? Instead of taking 4 and 5, you will take X and Y. Yes? Yes, X and Y is your two-digit number. Please pay attention. Okay, this is very important. Okay, X and Y are the two digits number. Yes, so it means that let the number at tens place be X and the number at ones place be Y. So as I wrote, like at my tens place, what is the number? X, and at my ones place, what is the number? Y. Any problem till now, guys? Any problem? Now, what is the first equation saying? The sum of two-digit number is 11. The sum means the X and Y are my two-digit number. So if I will add this, I will get answer as 11. This is my first equation. Any problem in that, guys? Ask me. Still here, any problem? Hannah, Johan, everyone understood?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, if the digits are reversed, the new number. Okay. So first of all, we understand what's the meaning of number and digits. Digits are separate number like X and Y. Okay. Like if I will write 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 are the digits. Now what will be the numbers? The number will become 45. Yes? Yes? So what this is called as number. 45 is the number and 4 and 5 are the digits, which is in the 45. Yes? Yes or no? Now, what is saying? The digits will reverse if the new number is 27 less than the original number. So first of all, we have to find what is the original number. What is the original number? Now, if I will write, like for example, 45. Yes. So it means that it can be written as 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1 as an expanded form. Na? You know how to write expanded form. Huh? So 45 can be written as 4 into 10 because 4 is at 10th place and 5 into 1 because 5 is at 1st place. Any problem in that? Please ask me. So in the same way, the original number will become 10x plus y. Now I will tell you why 10x plus y. Because x is at my 10th place, that's why I multiply with 10. And y it has one place, so 1y is a y, so I wrote y. Any problem in that, guys? Please ask me still here any problem. Anna, you don't know how to make numbers?
Sir,
Yeah.
could you just repeat the equation again? Just
See, the number formation is basically what you know, the expanded form.
yeah.
So in expanded form, the number is at 10th place, we multiply it by 10. And then the digit which is at one's place, we multiply it by 1. If I will write 243. So what is the expanded form of this? This is at one's place, this is at 10th place, this is at 100th place. It becomes 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. So this is called as expanded form. So in the same way, I took a number x1. So I wrote it as an expanded form, which is 10 into x plus 1. Understood, guys? Yes or no? This is original number. Now it's saying it will become reverse. The digit will become reverse. What is the meaning of reverse? Reverse means this is original number. ON is original number. Okay. Now reverse number means the number, like x is on 10th place, it will go on 1st place, and the y which is on 1st place will go in x place. It's gonna be like this. This is called as reverse numbers. Yeah, reverse means the x which is on 10th place goes to 1st place, and the one which is on y place will go in 10th place like this. Guys, did you understand? No.
Okay.
Yes or no? Now, in the same way, we have to write reverse numbers. So how will you write reverse number? Can you tell me? Anybody unmute your mic and say what is the reverse number?
Y
Anybody?
plus 10x.
Sorry.
Y plus 10x.
Okay. Okay. See, y is at 10th place. Y is at 10
10y
place.
plus x.
Yes, it will be 10y plus x. Why? Why 10y plus x? Because y is at 10th place. That's why we
Okay.
multiplied by 10. And x is at 1st place. That's why it's 1 become. Like, did you understand, guys? No. Till here, Joshua, till here you got everything better?
Yes.
Huh? Any problem, guys? Jawan? No problem? Okay. Now we have to form the second equation. This is not an equation. We just make a number. Now what is saying? The new number. What is the new number? Can anybody unmute your mic? Quickly, unmute your mic.
27.
The new number. No, what is the new number? New number.
Oh,
The
okay,
reverse
okay.
number is the new
It's
number. Na?
less.
So it will become 10y plus x, which is a new number, is means equals to 27 means 27 less than. What is the original number? Original number is 10x plus y less than 27. This is the equation. Guys, did you understand? The new number is 27 less than the original number. 27 less than the original number.
Okay.
Now we have to solve it. So, it will become 10y. Now this plus y will go to minus y. And plus x will go to minus x. So 10x minus x minus 27. So 10, sorry, it will become 9y is equals to 9x minus 27. Now this equals to plus minus 9.
Sir,
Yeah.
after you did the step, like the new number 27 less than the original number, after that, what did you do? You got the
Sorry,
y
say
to this
again.
side, and did you get the y to this side and take the x to the other side?
Yeah, y which is plus, it went to the left hand side, it become
Okay.
minus, and the plus x which is plus, it go to the right hand side, it become minus.
Okay.
Okay. Then I take 9 minus. Okay. Now I got this equation which is third, and this is first equation. You have to solve it by elimination method or by substitution method, any equation, and you have to find the answer. Can you do it, guys, now?
So which equation
Yes.
do we have to put it in?
This first equation and third equation you have to solve it.
So
You
this
can
is
use
the original
elimination.
number, right?
No, this is not original number. Right now we have to find the value of x and y to get the original number.
Okay.
Like for example, if I will take like x plus y is equals to 11 and y minus x plus y is equals to minus 3. Now see from this. Okay, then 3y is equals to 8, y is equals to 4. So I got y as 4, and if I will put y value in the first equation, so x plus 4 is equals to 11, x is equals to 11 minus 4, x is equals to 7. So I got x as 7. So what is the original number? Like x is at my 1/10th place and y is at my 1st place. So it will become 74. So the original number is 74. This is the answer. Understood? No. Where you didn't understand? Tell me. Yeah, ask me.
So 77 is supposed to be 11. I didn't get how the reverse part.
You didn't get what?
I didn't get the reverse when you reverse the number.
Can you revert the number?
When you reverse the numbers, right, after finding the number, I didn't get it from there.
Okay. Yeah, from here, no? From
No,
this part,
after
you
you got the value.
this one.
Yeah, after that I didn't get it.
So we have to make the number, no? We have to make numbers. So what is this? As tens place, the number is x. At tens place, variable x is there. So what is x? X is 7. And what is ones place? Ones place is y, which is 4. So the number becomes 74.
Okay.
We'll do more questions on this to get the answer. Okay. Anna, got it?
Yes, sir.
And guys, I only got form from Johan and Hannah. So please fill the form which I sent it to you. Okay.
Sir, I sent you the form.
You send me?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check one more time. So rest, Johan. Johan also. Johan, Hannah, I guess Ezekiel also. So I need form of Joshua, Johan, Anushka, Anna. Okay, so guys, please quickly do it. ASAP. Okay, done. Shall I read this? Okay. Joshua, Johan, got it? This question, I know it's a new question for you. It will take time. It's okay. Okay, done. Will I erase this? Will I erase this, guys? Okay, wait for 1 minute. Done. Okay, so we have to follow the step by step. Okay, now don't write, don't write, don't write, don't write, pen, dot, pen, dot, pen. Hands up, hands up, hands. Don't write. But now I want you to unmute your mic and say step by step, like we did in the previous question. Na? So I want you to do, you tell me step by step so that we can solve it. So I want, we can do it. Okay. When we are together, we can do it. Nothing impossible. Okay. So now, the sum of two digit number is 9. Okay. Hannah. No, Hannah. Okay. Okay. So the sum of two digit number is 9. So now first, what is the first step? Anybody please unmute your mic and say. What
X
is the
plus
first
y
step?
equals to 9.
Yeah, first you have to write let the number be x and let the number be y. So which number at which place you have to mention it, okay? So tell me, unmute your mic and say. Everyone, yeah. Please tell me.
Let the number at the tens place be x and the number at the ones place be y.
Let the number at tens place be x. Let the number at one place be y. So what is my number? If I will write tens and place, the tens place is x and the ones place is y. Okay. Now it is given the sum of two digit number is 9, which means that x plus 9 is equal to 10. It means that x plus y is equal to 9. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, if 9 is added to the number obtaining by reversing the digits of this number, okay, first of all, we have to make original number as well as reversing number also because it's mentioned. So what will be the original number? Tell me, what is the original number? Quickly.
X plus y, right? X plus y equals 9.
Yeah. So how will you write the expanded form of the original number?
10x plus y equals 9.
Yeah, 10x plus 10. And what is the reverse number? So for reverse number, the thing will change. This is original number, and the reverse number will become yx. So it means that it will become 10y plus. This is reverse number. Any problem in that? No. Now it is given. If 9 is added to the number obtaining by the reverse digit to this number, the result is 3 times the original number. Means if you will add 9 into the reverse number, what is the reverse number? This is the reverse number, which is 10 by plus x. Then the result is means equals to 3 times the original number. 3 times the original number. What is the original number? Original number is 10x plus 1. Guys, did you understand? I'll repeat this question again. If 9 is added to the number obtaining by the reversing the digits, this number we got when we reversed it. Yes, this number we got, and when we will add 9 into it, so the result is means equals to 3 times the original number. Can you solve it? Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Any problem? Please unmute your mic and say
So,
yes, please.
so how do you get like 10 in the place? Like, is it because of it being like in 10's place and X being in 1's place? Is that why it's kept as 10? Like the number?
The number which is at 10's place, we multiply it by 10. The
Okay.
number which is 1's place, we multiply it by 1. And when you multiply x into 1, you will get x.
Okay.
Okay? Understood, guys? Joshua, Johan, Johan, Anna, don't write. Anna, Anna. Okay? Understood, guys? Yes or no? Ezekiel, any problem? No problem? Then we have to solve it. So it will become 9 into, not into, plus. 9 plus 10x plus y is equals to 30x plus 3y. How it came? This 3 will multiply with both the sign. Okay? So it will become, now I'm sending plus 10x also and plus y also to the one side. It will become 9 is equal to 30x minus 10x, because plus 10x will become minus 10x and plus y will become minus y. 3y minus y. It will become 9 is equals to 20x plus 2y. So 9 is equals to, yeah. So now what is the first equation? Now this is my, I can write like this also. That's 20x plus 2y is equal to 9. So this is my third equation. Now we have to use elimination method in first and third equation to get the answer. Can you do it by yourself now? Can you do it by yourself? Jehovan,
Which is
everyone?
the first equation, sir?
This is the first equation. And this is the third equation. We have to use, we have to do elimination method to get the answer. Can you do it? No? Hmm? Ezekiel, unmute your mic and say, can you do it?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Hannah? Okay, quickly do it. And give me the answer also. Hannah, you got this?
Yes.
Good. Good girl. Johan, you got this, Johan?
Yes, sir.
Now, tomorrow is the last day of this chapter, and on Monday there will be test of this chapter. Okay, this whole chapter will be actually coming in your exam. So be prepared by Monday. After that, we'll start quadratic equation. Anna, with you, we'll start. Anna, you just give me the list. Write it down in your notebook and send me the list which chapter we have to do it. Okay, and then I will make a schedule and then we'll do it.
Okay.
Okay. Understood? What got the answer? No? You want my help? Please help me.
So in the equation, it is 9 plus 10y plus x, but after that you've written it as 10x plus y.
Where?
You made a box around the equation, and then you've written 10x plus y below it.
Where you
In the
think?
left-hand
Here?
side. Yeah, see,
This part?
no, where you were pointing at first.
Mm.
Yeah, so the left-hand side is 9 plus 10y plus x, and then down below that it is 9 plus 10x plus y.
No, I said this 10x to left hand side. This plus 10x to the left hand side, so 30x minus 10x.
Sarah, I think she means that you wrote 9 plus 10y plus x, and then the next step you wrote 9 plus 10x plus y. The very
Oh.
next step.
Okay. I hate this type of. Where? This is the answer. So what is the original number? Original number is 27. Then, have you understood?
One minute,
Sorry?
I'm still writing.
Ezekiel, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Joshua,
Yes, I understood.
Anushka, Anna, Johan.
Yes, sir, I understood.
Sir, I got confused after you boxed the second one, the 9 plus 10y. After that, I got confused with the how you solved it.
And what? This one.
No, the one before. After
This one,
you,
no?
yeah, from that step onwards.
See, the 10y is there. It will go other side equals to become minus 10y. Yes. The 10y is here. Plus 10y is here. It will go other side equals to become minus 10y. No? So it will become minus 10y. And plus x is there. It will become minus x. So minus x is here. 30 minus x will become 29x. And plus 3y minus 10y. Same sign, no different sign. You have to subtract it. 10 minus 3 is 3. In front of 10, it's minus 10, so minus 10. Then I use elimination method to solve. So today
Sir?
I will give, yeah.
Why did you put a 7 before the x plus y equals 9 when you were going to do the elimination method?
See, I want to make same coefficient of y, na. Here it's 7y,
Okay.
it's not y. So I
Okay.
multiply the whole equation by 7. So that becomes 7x, 7y, and 7 9 is 63. So
Yeah.
that's why the same coefficient becomes. That's why.
Okay.
Jahan, you got it, beta? No?
Yes.
Okay, so I will send you some questions based on this. Okay, and uh, then we will do homework on that. Okay, so we have 4 minutes today. Okay, so till then, bye and out.
That's what I think.
Bye. Please submit me the topic. Okay, done. Come back, come back, come back. Okay, so what we were doing? Yeah, so yesterday we did law of conservation of momentum. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now today we will learn about friction. Okay, so everyone turn on the camera. We will start our science class quickly, quickly, quickly. Okay, so what do you mean by friction? What is the meaning of friction? So everyone take out page number 242 quickly, quickly. Page number 242. Joshua, Hannah, turn on the camera, please. Okay, what do you mean by friction? So friction is an external force which is applied on it. So yeah. So can you see this? Yes, can you see the page number 242? So now what do you mean by friction? So you can understand it like this. See, like for example, if this is a box and if we will push it to this direction, then the box will move in this direction. Yeah. Okay. So now I will ask you one question. Which one is easy? Almira or a Almira on wheels?
Almiron.
Okay, Almira on wheels, na? To push easily. Yes. Okay. Or which one is easy? To push a car or to push a car without wheel?
A car with wheels.
Car with wheels, no? Why? Because wheels on the bus go. No, 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 not that because the thing is the wheels provides the friction less as compared to if there is no wheel. Okay, so what does this mean? This means like this, like whenever we are walking or we are pushing object or pulling object, external force is applying on it. That's why it's stopping. Like for example, as not Virat Kohli, Messi. Messi passes to his teammates. Okay, so when he's passing it, then you will see that the ball it will go first fastly and then it will slow down. Why? Because grass is working as an external force to stop the ball. Okay. Or we can understand it like this. If you know rolling balls, oh carom, who knows carom? Who knows carom? Okay. So while playing carom, if you are not able to hit the coin in the hole, what you will say? Carom board is bad. Yes? I mean, you will use powder, no? Oh, bring powder, I need powder. My striker is not going. Okay, and when you will hit, when powder is there, and when you will hit that striker, then what will happen? The striker will go in the hole. Then you will say the carom board is not good. Okay, so basically the skill problem is there. I mean, we'll not go on that. So what is I'm saying? The friction is the external force which is applying on it. Yeah.
Sir, you're on mute.
I don't. I don't. So what is I'm saying? The friction is an external force which is applying on an object. Okay. So how it works? For example, this is a smooth surface. According to you, it's a smooth surface. Now there are two types of surfaces are there. We can understand it like this. When you are driving, when you are in a car, and when the you are dancing like this, which means that the road is bad. The road needs to be repaired. And when it is smooth, wow, I can sleep on the smooth road. Okay, that is called as smooth. So smooth surfaces, like if you will see your table, you're using table. It's a smooth surface. Or we can understand it like this. Ice team. Uh, there is one Olympic. They dance, do gymnast on ice lake with the ice team. So that ice is just the ice lake which is formed is a smooth surface. So even in the smooth surface, the if you will see microscope through microscope, now it won't look like this. No, if you will see through microscope, now still it won't look like it. How it will look like? It will look like this. The smoothest surface will also look like it. If you will see microscope. Okay. Now, what does this mean? This means that when you are putting the box also has surface that is also not smooth. That is also like this. The box which is on the table, it's not smooth. It is looking like this when you will see microscope. So what does this mean? This means that you can see there is a interlocking between the surface and between the object. That's why the object is not moving. Okay. So the friction is working to stop the object. It always gives negative acceleration, means it always do a negative force. Yes or no? Yes or no? So if you read it, can you read it? Everyone, force of friction. From here. Everyone, can you read it from here?
According to Newton's first law of motion, a moving body continues to move along a straight line unless an external force is applied to it. If this external force slows down the motion of the ball or the car, in fact, the ball or car is slowed down by a force called friction. Friction exists between all surfaces of all materials which are in contact with each other. The direction of the frictional force is always in the direction opposite to the motion.
Yeah. So whatever
Now,
the
try to
motion
analyze
is there, for example, the motion is in right hand side, the friction will work on left hand side. It always opposes the motion. The main work of friction is to stop the object. Yeah. Okay. So we take one example. When you are riding a bicycle, so even if you will not use brake, the cycle will stop. Will it stop? Yeah, it will take some more distance, but it will stop. Definitely, it will stop because of friction only. Okay. Who watches Tom and Jerry? Who
Not
watches Tom and
anymore.
Jerry? I mean, in your childhood times.
Yeah,
You saw, na?
sometimes I used to.
So whenever there is a snow condition in that episode, then you will observe that Tom, when walking on the ice, he can't step, he's just slipping. Huh? On the ice lake, Tom can't walk, but when he's trying to control yourself, every time he's slipping. We'll take one more example. Who fall in bathroom? I fall one time, and it's a great accident.
Or 5 times.
Yeah. So what happens that in bathroom when soapy condition is there on the floor, and that makes the friction less, and you're not able to walk or stand on the bathroom. You will slip. So this is what's called as friction. Friction, its disadvantage also, its advantage also. Okay. So we will learn all about that. So friction is always between the two things, okay, between the two materials or two surfaces. Yes. So if friction is zero, then what will happen? You're not able to walk on it. Like Tom is not able to walk on the lake. Because between these two surfaces, the friction is minimal, very minimal. It's not zero, but it's very minimal. So if friction is zero, then I will just roll a ball from Jodhpur. It will come to Ezekiel Kerala with the same speed. Okay, because friction is zero, nobody is there to stop that. Air friction is also there. If you will leave a feather, then what will happen? Feather will go like this, like this, like this, like this, and it will float up. Because feather is also having a air friction. Okay, I will ask you one question, which is not related to that, but I want to ask you one question. If you will release a feather and a bowling ball from the same height, having no air, means vacuum. If you will leave a feather and a bowling ball from the same height, which has no air, no vacuum, then which will come first?
It will both come at the
They
same
both are
time.
Yeah, you saw that video. Good. So they will come at the same time. Okay, the bowling ball and the feather will come on the same time. Hannah, you didn't believe us?
I knew it would be the opposite of what I was thinking, so I didn't say.
Yeah. So after this class, I will show you one video. You will get it. Okay. So it's a practical video. Okay, no problem. So now there are two types of frictions are there. First is static friction, and the second is kinetic friction. Now, if you will see, this object is at rest, and it's an interlock like this. So, right now, static friction is working on it. And whenever I push it, it will move. And when it is moving, the kinetic friction is working on it. The static friction wants that object should be at same static position. And kinetic friction wants to slow down the object and become a static friction. So both works negatively against the flow. It's enough. So factors affecting friction. So if you will see, yeah, read this part. Anybody unmute your mic and yeah. Yes, sir.
you will find that the distance moved by the cell is maximum on a glass surface and minimum over sand. This difference is due to friction offered by different types of surfaces. Smooth glass surface offers less friction compared to a rough sand bed. Thus, the smoothness of the surfaces is one of the factors in which friction depends.
So you can see that there is a glass surface here and there is a table. So if you will release a scan with the same height, you will see the scan went here. And if you will see glass, it went here. So in glass, it has covered a greater distance. So from this, what we got that the glass is a smooth surface. That's why it's going in forward down. Yes or no? Yeah. So the smoothness is the one of the factor in which friction depends. The most smoothest surface will have less friction. So smoothness is indirectly proportional to friction. Now, what is indirectly proportional means? If you will increase the smoothness, the friction will less. One thing is up and another thing will be down. Call it indirect. Okay. Now, friction also depends on the normal reaction. Normal reaction means, is it easy to have like which one is easy to move? A small almirah or a big cupboard?
Are a big what?
Cupboard means almirah. Yes, Joshua.
What was the last one?
A small almirah or a big almirah?
Small Almeida.
Small almirah. As we learned about inertia to register motion. So the big almirah will not able to move easily because it has more mass having a more normal reaction. So if more, so that it means that friction is directly proportional to normal reaction. Now, what is normal reaction means? Basically, mass. Okay. So if more normal reaction is there directly means if one is more, the other will be also more. Means the friction will be more. Understood? Write it down in your notebook. Quickly write it down.
So what was what you said again? For
Normal reaction is directly proportional to the friction.
okay.
And any problem, Joshua? No problem.
No, sir.
Now, advantages of friction. So, what is the advantage of friction? Even if you can write it down, writing in your notebook now, if you will see your pen or tip of the pen, there is a ball. If you will see the tip of your pen, there is a ball. Okay. So that ball, it's basically helping you to write it down. So for working of a friction, that if you want to find the advantages of the friction, two surfaces should be there. One surface should be smooth and the another surface should be rough. Okay. I don't know you experience this or not. You can't write the front of the notebook, like the notebook cover with the ball pen. Or it's very difficult to write. Yes or no? If you want to write a name on the cover of your notebook, now whatever cover notebook you are using, if you want to write the name with the ball pen, you're not able to write it down because the cover book is smooth and the ball pen tip is also smooth. It won't work. One should be rough. That's why you will able to write in your paper, but not in that way. Even you can't write with the ink pen also. The ink will not absorb in that. So that is why it's necessary. For example, if can you can you walk with a normal shoes on ice lake? No. You can't. You need a different type of code. Or we can understand one more thing. Can you use a who knows badminton? Who knows badminton? So if you will go to the badminton place, na, then there is a mat. So it says that you need a non-marking shoe. You can't use normal shoe. In non-marking shoes, there is no mark will come because that if you will see normal shoes, na, the marking will be there on the mat because the mat is very rough. Okay. So that is advantages and disadvantages of that. That if you can write, then you can use because of friction. If you are using in automobile trading increase because of friction, tires and road. So this is advantages. Now what is the disadvantages? The disadvantage is every 2 months you need a new shoe. Wear and tear of the shoes. Because you're walking without uplifting your left legs. You're just what we say. You're just rubbing your feet on the floor. That's why you need a new shoes after swimming. Okay, so this is disadvantage when you are riding on bicycles and you fall. Mama, I got hurt. Why hurts? Because of friction. So say, Mama, I have I didn't did any mistake. It's all because of friction. I fall, I have a hurt because of friction. It's not my mistake. I was riding bicycle fast, but it's not mine. It's friction. Okay, understood? So I'm giving you 2 minutes to read this page and quickly read it. Okay, done? Finished? So we learn about friction. So we'll not go. Now, what is thrust? The thrust is basically, all pin, all pin or thumb pin, thumb pin. Okay. So in thumb pin, we take our thumbs and we take the head of the pin and we used to insert it on the green board. This is role of thumb pin. So when we are doing that, we are applying a force. Okay, for example, if this is a thumb pin, don't laugh. Okay. If it is a thumb pin and if you are applying a force which is perpendicular to the wall, so force which is perpendicular to the wall is called thrust. So any force which is perpendicular to the surface. Any force, repeat after me, any force which is perpendicular to the surface. Okay. So if you are standing, is it the force perpendicular to the you are standing now? Okay. You are not a dancer who can walk like this. You are standing perpendicular to the surface. Huh? So it means that you are also applying a thrust on the surface. If you are hammering a nail, okay, then you are applying a force which is perpendicular to the surface. So this is called as thrust. Any force which is perpendicular to the surface is called as thrust. Okay. Now, for example, understand it like a nail. Okay, understand like a nail. Now, this is the tip of the nail and this is the blunt side of the nail. So if I will hit a nail like this, will it go? If I will hit a nail like pointed is towards hammer side and the head is on the wall. So will the nail will go? Why? Because
So
the
the
head
surface
has,
area,
yeah, the head surface area is more than the tip. So what does this mean? This is called as pressure. What is called as? This is called as pressure, which is force or a force. First, basically a force, nothing else. Thrust is a force upon area. Means if you will increase the area, the pressure will become less. If you will, for example, if this has more area and if you will hit it, whatever force you are applying, it's divided in that surface area. That is why the pressure becomes less and it's not going in the wall. Understood? Yes or no? We'll take one more example. Um, you know camel? Camel is called as the stiff of desert. The camel leg won't go inside the sand. If you will, if I will stand, then the sand like I can't walk easily. But camel can easily walk because their leg will not go inside the sand. Why? Because if you will see the camel has a big feet, and because of that, when he putting on the pressure on sand, because of more surface area, the pressure become less. More surface area means less pressure. No? So camel is putting less pressure on the sand. Understood? No. Yes or no? Guys,
pressure doesn't have anything related to weight, right?
pressure is related to weight also. That's why force came now. If you will say force is if force is more, then pressure is more. For example, uh, if you have one book or 10 books, which one is easy? One book, na? 10 books has more weight. More weight means more force. Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
pressure is also related to force also and area also.
Oh,
It means that what does this mean? This means that pressure is directly proportional to force. Means if you will increase the force, the pressure will increase. And pressure is indirectly proportional to area. If you will increase the area, the pressure will decrease. This two things. Okay. Now I will. Okay. Then understood? Yes or no? Okay. Now who has school bag? You have school bag. Okay. If I will give you one example, can you see this school bag? Now this strap. This strap is very big. Okay. If I will use instead of this, if I will use this, then what will happen? like we have this step right now, and if I will use this step, then what will happen?
It will break.
Then, yeah, in this, I will feel less weight of a bag or less pressure of a bag on my shoulder. In this shoulder will have a lunch with my heart because it will go like this strip will go inside, it will have a more pressure. So that's the thing of pressure and the area. Okay, understood? We'll take one more example. Write it down.
Sir,
Yeah.
in that pink box you made down below, it's written pressure. And what is that thing?
Area and pressure. First is third, second one is area.
Okay. No, I was asking what is the sign in the middle?
It is called as proportionality sign.
Okay, okay.
So it's like a cross in which you got mass na every time.
So is it like to say pressure directly proportional to force?
And indirectly proportional and indirectly proportional, the next thing will come in denominator. That's called as indirectly proportional. So I will just play one video, and for that video, I want to give credit to this guy. Six time. So we'll give credit to the sixth time.
All right, so we have to define pressure. When you think of pressure, you think of weather pressure, that kind of thing. Pressure is when two things come in contact with one another, and that force, exerted over that area. So, for example, if you take the nail, go ahead and hang on to the nail, and if we take the balloon, if we put the balloon on that nail right there, all of the pressure of that is pushed right there on that, and so it's no wonder that it pops. Even if you did two nails, here, hang on to two nails like that, we're distributing over two nails, and still we have no problem at all. So, here's what teachers can kind of make, or parents can make. Like they're going to go out today and just kind of make it. Here is a board that has little tiny holes in it, and what you do is it's just a Sunday afternoon. You sit there. What else do you have to do besides drill? All right, so there you go. So now there's 100 nails that are sitting in there, and this sits here. Okay, you got it? And now, here, let's do this one. The balloon goes on top like this. All right. Okay. And now, so that your hand doesn't get hurt, now the board goes on top, kind of like this. I got the feeling of what's going to happen here, Steve. You think you know what's going to happen? I think that it's going to come down. It'll be perfect right there. Okay. All right. So now watch this. Take your hand and start to push down, and take a look at what happens. All of that weight and that force is being distributed over the entire thing that's there. So we have 100 nails. You can actually look inside and see them poking up.
In this, you can see that now in this you can see that this you can see that the different names, which is like you said, 100 of names we used in this experiment. So you can see that the force which is applying perpendicular to this balloon, it's now divided into each nail. That's why the pressure in this its surface area is more and the pressure is less. Okay? Yes or no?
Inside, that's a tremendous amount of
that's
pressure.
Amazing.
Can you see that right inside there?
You can see the balloon being pushed up literally inside of it.
In any one nail would pop that. Keep going down. Keep pressing. See, now that's a lot of. See, that's a lot of pressure.
A lot of pressure.
Yeah.
A lot
now
of pressure.
I want you to get on the bed of nails. So just kind of climb up and just kind of sit here, just like this. Just fine. Is that kind of a fun demonstration? An easy way for kids to be able to see how pressure is being distributed over the entire point. So we realize that somebody who's doing the bed of nails trick, you lay on one nail, you ruin everything. You lay on 5 nails, that's kind of a bummer.
See, I would think by now it would pop. But
it's just amazing for kids to see. They can really push. Is that just and you find?
Okay, guys, did you understand this thing? how pressure and surface area is related to each other? Yes. Okay. So this is how you will do it. Okay. So we'll end this class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tomorrow we'll complete this chapter.